Hello, hello, Assalamualaikum, and to my fellow friends and my respected lecturer, Mr. E. I believe today a lot of people want to be healthy in many ways, such as through their diet or their outdoor activity. Yes, nowadays people face many problems, such as to reduce body weight and avoid heart attack, and also lower our blood sugar level. For those that suffering diabetes and famous disease, such as hair loss problem, there's so many cases today. So, to answer for all those problems, can settle with only one solution. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you as one product, which is the name is Green Tea Malaya. Okay, I introduce a little bit more about this product. Green tea is a packed with antioxidant including polyphenol and catechin. This natural compound work hard to protect cell and molecule from free radical that may cause damage and disease. People looking to lose weight healthily or lower their cholesterol level can also benefit from green tea. Okay, green tea can lower blood sugar level. People with diabetes should discuss their potential benefit of green tea. Okay, this is because the polyphenol and polysaccharide tea leaf could help lower and stabilize the blood sugar level in our blood. This compound may benefit both type of diabetes. They also act like insulin, so that increase insulin, so sensitivity to help manage blood sugar spike. And second, it also can prevent the heart attack or heart problem by stabilize cholesterol level in our body. This is because green tea compound can block cholesterol absorption in the digestive tract and aid the excretion, effectively lowering low density lipoprotein, in short form LDL, cholesterol level without affecting the high density lipoprotein HDL level. In other words, this ancient drink can help rid the body of bad cholesterol while maintaining of good cholesterol. It also lower blood pressure in body. Green tea help suppress angiotensin, one cause of high blood pressure. The Archive of Internal Medicine conduct a study that revealed those who drink green tea, specifically 1/2 to 2.5 cups of tea for an entire year, reduce the chances of high blood pressure significantly when compared to people who did not drink green tea. This is good news for people that got problem with obesity. Okay, let me share you something. By drink the green tea alone, it will reduce body weight drastically. Drinking several cups of green tea every day could help facilitate weight loss by slightly reducing the body fat percentage and waist circumference. Okay, polyphenol in green tea increase the rate at which the body transform food into calories, which is catechin also help promote weight loss. Okay, besides potentially breaking down fat and burning calories, green tea could help boost metabolism when combined with caffeine. It also prevent. Okay, the next point is I want to show you. It also prevent hair loss. You don't need spend your precious money to fix your hair loss problem. Green tea got a lot of benefit to sustain a healthy hair like me because polyphenol and catechin block DHT, a hormone that a driving force behind hair loss. DHT. Another component found green tea is epiglycate and glycate, EGC, stimulate hair cell production and growth. In addition to drinking green tea, some people find washing their hair with fresh brew and cool green tea can reduce dandruff and dry scalp. Although it's important, always rinse well afterward. Okay, next is for young people that wants to maintain their young age, like me, can start doing green tea from now. It's help fight aging process. The polyphenol in green tea work as a powerful antioxidant that may shield skin from harmful free radical. The drink not only fight sign of aging but also treat skin ailment and promote longevity. Okay, green tea also contain numerous oligomeric protein which are used to treat common symptoms of aging like poor circulation, nerve damage, and even macular degeneration. When people topically, green tea may even help counter sun damage. And the last one is this disease is most terrified among all of us, which is cancer. It also can reduce the chances of cancer disease. Antioxidants in green tea are so powerful they may help lower chance of cancer. Drinking 4 cups or more a day could help prevent prostate cancer, pancreatic cancer, bladder cancer, and stomach cancer from taking the disease. According to some study, the drink is even effective against progression of breast and lung cancer. There's a lot of benefit that I can assure you guys from taking this green tea Malaya. Hope you guys can aware about our health and performance. Remember guys, once you got sick and the medical bill costs more worse than only you buy this product that cost you less. For me, prevention is better than cure. So buy this product, Green Tea Malaya. That's all from me. Thank you.